Welcome back to the Auto Hub. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW M8, a car that pushes the limits of luxury and performance. If you're a fan of speed, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, you're in for a treat. BMW has taken the M8 to a whole new level, refining its power, aerodynamics, and interior to create a grand tour that's as thrilling on the track as it is on the open road. Let's start under the hood. The 2025 BMW M8 is powered by a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This beast of an engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power to all four wheels through BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system. The result? A blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3 seconds flat. But what makes this car even more exciting is the ability to switch to rear-wheel drive mode, allowing for pure, unfiltered driving pleasure. Whether you want the stability of AWD or the playful nature of RWD, the M8 gives you both. Now, let's talk about the design. The 2025 M8 looks more aggressive than ever, featuring a sharper front fascia, a redesigned kidney grille, and sleek laser headlights that give it a futuristic appeal. The aerodynamic enhancements include larger air intakes, a sculpted hood, and a carbon fiber roof that not only looks stunning but also reduces weight for better performance. Around the back, the quad exhaust tips and a subtle lip spoiler complete the sporty yet elegant look. This car isn't just about function, it's about making a statement on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that blends high-tech features with premium materials. The seats are wrapped in fine merino leather with M-specific stitching, providing both comfort and support. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 14.9-inch curved touchscreen infotainment system put everything at your fingertips, from navigation to driving modes. And of course, BM's latest iDrive system ensures seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a crystal-clear Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system. But the real magic happens when you get behind the wheel. The adaptive suspension, active M differential, and carbon ceramic brakes make sure the M8 handles like a true performance machine. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through mountain roads, the precision and responsiveness are simply unmatched. So, is the 2025 BMW M8 the ultimate luxury sports coupe? It certainly makes a strong case. With its jaw-dropping performance, stunning design, and high-tech interior, it's a car that delivers on every level. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you take the M8 over its rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.